how are you looking at those underlying fears that have been emerging? एक तो बड़ा correction आएगा, अब तो आना चाहिए, एक तरफा चाल हमने देखी है at 16.7% returns for the Nifty. We are also among, I think, the top performers in the APAC region now. Looking at all of these scenarios, do you really see that there could be a deeper correction, or you're saying that now markets are used to of just 1 or 2% correction and then we go on? That's all that we see in the name of correction now.
This kind of narrative has been played for since markets on Nifty was 18,000, 19,000. I think people have been waiting for correction, and I always have been saying that people who are having this view are approaching this reversion to mean perspective, that markets will revert to mean. Earlier, 16, 17 times was price to earning, and same was right. And today, if it is 22 times price to earning, it is expensive and it will revert back to mean. Those people will keep missing the opportunity because in a transformative economy, reversion to mean doesn't work. It might work in a steady state economy, but not in a transformative economy. And India is in a transformative phase. And that's the reason we continue to remain very bullish. And maybe I can tell you that, if you look at 10, 15 years view from now, India has delivered very well and India will deliver very well over next 10, 15 years. Total corporate profits of India today is $150 billion. In 2001, it was $8 billion. Now, in this 2022 years period, all kinds of risks have come and gone. And despite India's corporate profits have gone up significantly. And this $150 billion by 2035 will become $1 trillion. It means our market cap of India will become 20 to $25 trillion, which is today around $5 and $5.5 trillion. So if you understand this perspective right in the mind, you will invest with that kind of transformation happening in the economy and invest into that. But if you believe that, and lots of people who believe that, market will revert to mean and hence, it will go back to the same levels, in my opinion, will keep missing the markets. And when I'm making this point, I'm not saying that markets will not correct. There won't be any intermittent corrections. But I believe that if you have this perspective, very long term India, then you will keep remaining invested and you will not keep buying this reversion to mean narrative.